Listen up, Muslims, you've been given the greatest gift, Islam. But what are you doing with it? The world around you is changing, and many of you are drifting with it, losing sight of who you really are. You think you can balance Islam with the ways of the world, but you're wrong. The Prophet Muhammad made it clear, you cannot serve two masters. The more you chase material success, the more you lose your connection to Allah. You idolize fashion, fame, and status while ignoring the only thing that can save you, your relationship with Allah. You adopt the values of non-Muslims, you wear what they wear, you live how they live, and you worship what they worship, thinking it doesn't affect your faith. But understand this, your faith is on the line. Every time you compromise, every time you worship the desires of this world instead of Allah, you are moving further from the truth. Your identity is no longer Islamic, it's blurred by the chaos of a society that has forgotten Allah.